If you find soft or foul-smelling adhesives or suspect asbestos under old floor tile, stop work immediately and do not disturb the material further. Wear a properly fitted particulate respirator rated for hazardous fibers and single-use gloves before any close inspection. Then isolate the area by closing doors and covering vents with plastic sheeting taped at the edges to limit dust migration. Take photos without scraping to document the condition and batch samples without dry scraping by dampening the surface and using a clean blade to remove a small core into a sealed container for testing at a qualified laboratory. Keep samples labeled with date and location. Contact your local public health or environmental agency to learn rules for sampling, testing, notification, and disposal because requirements for handling suspected asbestos and toxic adhesives vary by jurisdiction. If tests confirm hazardous material, hire a licensed abatement contractor who uses negative pressure containment, glove bags, and certified waste transport to remove and dispose of materials according to local hazardous waste procedures. Maintain a log of communications, test results, and disposal receipts for your records and any future property transactions. If removal is not immediately possible, consider encapsulation by a professional using approved sealants that bind fibers and prevent release until full abatement can be scheduled. Common mistakes include assuming old tile is safe and continuing work, which can spread hazardous dust. The fix is to suspend activity, isolate the area, and get a professional evaluation. Another error is improper sampling using dry scraping, which releases fibers and invalidates results. Always wet the area and use a lab that follows recognized testing protocols. A third issue is hiring unqualified contractors who are unfamiliar with hazardous waste transport and disposal rules, which can lead to legal penalties and contamination. Always confirm the contractor has experience with abatement projects and request documentation of disposal manifests after completion. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors who do tile removal and hazardous material abatement while sharing first-hand project experiences in our discussion community so homeowners can learn from others. We make it easier for contractors to find work and for homeowners to ask questions, post photos, and compare approaches before hiring someone for a hazardous material situation.